Navigating debt, strategies for debt repayment and avoidance. Embarking on a journey toward financial freedom begins with mastering the art of navigating debt. Picture a future where your financial landscape is liberated and each payment propels you closer to your goals. Let's dive in. Number 1. Create a comprehensive budget. A comprehensive budget is a detailed financial plan that outlines your income, expenses, and savings goals. It serves as a roadmap for managing your money effectively. And when applied to the context of navigating debt, it becomes a powerful tool for debt repayment and avoidance. List all sources of income, including your salary, bonuses, freelance income, or any other sources of money. Categorize your expenses into fixed and variable categories. Fixed expenses include bills like rent or mortgage, utilities, and loan payments. Variable expenses encompass groceries, entertainment, dining out, and other discretionary spending. Allocate a specific portion of your income to debt repayment. This can include minimum payments on all debts and additional funds for accelerated repayment of high-interest debt. Dedicate a portion of your budget to building and maintaining an emergency fund. This fund acts as a financial safety net, preventing the need to accrue additional debt in times of unexpected expenses. A budget provides a clear picture of your financial situation, helping you identify areas where you can cut costs and allocate more funds to debt repayment. By understanding your cash flow, you gain better control over your finances, reducing the likelihood of accumulating new debt. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for this channel. Let's continue. Number 2. Prioritize high-interest debt. Prioritizing high-interest debt is a key strategy in navigating debt and is particularly effective for those seeking financial growth. This approach involves focusing on repaying debts with the highest interest rates first, typically associated with credit cards, payday loans, or other forms of unsecured debt. High-interest debts accrue interest at a faster rate than those with lower interest rates. By prioritizing these debts, you prevent interest from compounding rapidly, saving you money in the long run. This strategy minimizes the overall cost of debt repayment and accelerates the process of becoming debt-free. One common approach to prioritizing high-interest debt is the debt avalanche method. In this method, you focus on repaying the debt with the highest interest rate while making minimum payments on other debts. Once the highest interest debt is paid off, you redirect those funds to the next highest interest debt, creating a cascading effect. This systematic approach optimizes interest savings and expedites the repayment process. High-interest debts often coincide with unsecured loans and credit cards. Successfully repaying these debts can positively impact your credit score. As you reduce outstanding balances on high-interest accounts, your credit utilization ratio improves, contributing to an enhanced credit score. A higher credit score opens doors to better financial opportunities, such as lower interest rates on future loans or credit cards. Number 3. Emergency fund for financial security. An emergency fund is a dedicated savings account set aside to cover unforeseen expenses or financial emergencies. Its primary purpose is to provide a financial safety net, offering individuals and families a buffer against unexpected costs that could otherwise lead to debt accumulation or financial strain. This fund acts as a crucial component in the broader strategy of navigating debt, focusing on both debt repayment and avoidance. Having an emergency fund means you're less likely to resort to credit cards or loans to cover unexpected expenses. Instead of going into debt when faced with a sudden financial challenge, you can use funds from your emergency savings, preventing the need for high-interest borrowing. Knowing that you have a financial safety net in place can significantly reduce stress and anxiety related to money matters. This peace of mind allows you to focus on long-term financial goals, including debt repayment, without the constant worry of unexpected expenses derailing your plans. Having an emergency fund allows you to take advantage of investment opportunities when they arise. Whether it's a market downturn or a chance to invest in education or a new business venture, the financial security provided by the emergency fund enables strategic decision-making without compromising overall financial stability. Number 4. Negotiate and consolidate debt. Negotiating debt involves reaching out to creditors to discuss and potentially modify the terms of your existing debt. This can include negotiating for lower interest rates, extended repayment periods, or even reduced settlement amounts. The goal is to establish more favorable conditions that make it easier for you to manage and repay your debt. Begin by assessing your financial situation and identifying the debts that are causing the most strain. Contact your creditors to explain your situation. Be transparent about financial challenges and express your willingness to find a mutually beneficial solution. Work with creditors to negotiate more favorable terms. This might involve requesting a lower interest rate, a temporary suspension of payments, or a revised repayment plan. Debt consolidation involves combining multiple debts into a single, more manageable loan. This can be achieved through various methods, such as taking out a consolidation loan, using a balance transfer credit card, or enrolling in a debt consolidation program. Evaluate your existing debts, including interest rates and terms, to determine if consolidation is a viable option. Number 5. Educate yourself and seek professional advice. Understanding the nuances of debt, personal finance, and financial management is crucial for effective debt navigation. Educating yourself involves acquiring knowledge about various financial concepts, including interest rates, credit scores, budgeting, and debt consolidation. Knowing the interest rates and fees associated with your debts is fundamental. Different types of debt, such as credit cards, personal loans, and mortgages, may have varying terms. Understanding how interest is calculated and the impact of fees can help you prioritize which debts to repay first. Explore various debt repayment strategies, such as the debt snowball method or the debt avalanche method. Understand the pros and cons of each approach and choose the one that best suits your financial situation and psychological approach to debt repayment. While self-education is valuable, seeking advice from financial professionals can provide personalized insights and guidance tailored to your specific circumstances. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video right now. Subscribe to this channel and hit that bell button for more tips on mental health. Check the link below for the playlist on this topics. There are more information you would not want to miss. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.